Greetings, friends. Taylor here. I just want to take a moment to point out, or talk about, I guess, some funny little things I found at CVS on clearance the other day. Because, you know, it's the holidays and they have a bunch of stuff they're trying to get rid of that's holiday themed. First, this little thing. You might be wondering, why is he holding a giant D12? Great question. Because apparently it has a bunch of little healthy suggestions on it. The first one I'm looking at here, make a gratitude list. It's kind of fun, right? We have journal 10 minutes. That would require me to have a journal. Nice try. Maybe just write notes for 10 minutes. We have drink a glass of water. Yeah, I mean, it's good advice. All right, what else we got here? You know what? Here, let's roll it. That'd be fun. Let's roll it here on this table. Let's roll it and have it stay on the table. How about that? Third time's the charm. Man, I hope this is on camera. There we go. Meditate 5 minutes. Not on my to-do list, but good suggestion. Yeah, you can actually see the original price of this was $5. I got this for $2.50. Isn't that something? All right, and let's just grab kind of something random. It says, oh, we already did make a gratitude list. Fresh air, 10 minutes. Yeah, for someone like me that spends a lot of time cooped up indoors, that makes sense. That was the first of these things. Next, check this out. We have a pizza cutter that's shaped like an axe. The funny thing about these is these were pre-wrapped. I didn't wrap this, it came like this. These are designed to be given out as gifts, probably to have the thing that it is taken off. So when I do the third one, I'm gonna take the label off to surprise you guys. Now let's see. Ooh, this just became an unboxing video, didn't it? This just became an unboxing video, everybody. Just became an unboxing video. All right, let's see what we got here. We got an unboxing video. Yeah, all right. Good stuff. Are we having fun yet? In case anyone's wondering, or maybe if I have certain viewers watching this going, I thought he was going to have, I was kind of expecting a new backdrop in the background. That's coming. You know who you are. You know I'm talking about you. It's coming. It's leaning right over against my DVD shelf. I just have not had a chance to open it up and hang it on the wall yet, but it's coming. There will be a cool new decoration added to the background very soon. Very soon. Can't overstate that. Very soon. All right. Here we go. What do we got here? Let's see how this thing looks. Oh, here we go. I like it. I love little things like this. Look at this. That is a pizza cutter. It's like an axe. Do I have a pizza cutter? Oh, also needs to let you know right away it's made in China, of course. Yeah, I have like a Dollar Tree pizza cutter. I'm sure this one's much nicer. I'll have to make a pizza and use it soon. I'm not going to throw a hatchet. That is a very dangerous idea. That's going to be set gently aside. And then gently off camera. Okay. Number 3. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove. Here we go. Now this is actually a mystery. Ooh, what's box number 3? Well, I guess the first one wasn't a box. What's item number 3? What's in the mystery box? Here we go. The fact that I set it up this way almost actually makes more sense because I know what this is. Yeah, here we go. Hey, look, this candy cane has a red box in it. Okay, what do we got? There we go. Now, what's in the box? Gwyneth Paltrow's character's head.
What's in the box?
I don't know. That's a Seven reference. If you've never seen Seven. Oh, here we go. Might be wondering, what is all this nonsense? This is a decision maker. This kind of ripped up thing, here we go. It's what it looks like when it's done. So I guess you basically swing the pendulum, and I guess wherever it stops or something is, let's see, the ball will come to a stop above the quote-unquote right answer. Yes, not right now. See your therapist. No, take the risk or sleep on it. Oh wait, no, that's just listing the options. I thought it was telling me something. Yeah, the options are yes, not right now, see your therapist. I don't have a therapist, sorry. No, take the risk, or sleep on it. That's kind of fun. You can see, obviously, that's these right here. I should set this up and use it in another video soon. That's it for now. I'm Taylor. Farewell, friends.